Alrighty guys, what's happening today? I'm going to be talking to you about the Kensington Guardian Power Strip. That's a 15-foot heavy-duty power strip. Yeah, as you can see, it is a long one. And, most of you might be thinking, okay, a power strip, like, what's so great about that? What can be the difference? Well, there actually are quite a few differences between power strips. I am a gigging musician myself, and so having a good heavy-duty power strip that can handle the power that some amplifiers or PA systems require is really important, and especially one that holds up after being thrown around or just used over and over and over again. So I've always trusted Kensington. This is one of the smaller ones that I have, most portable, but we'll get into that. So like I was saying, it's a great use for things like that, especially if you're like a musician or need to have lots of heavy-duty electronics plugged in. Great for parties or larger rooms, especially if you can't get your electronics close to an outlet. Most of that has to do with the fact that it's 15 feet long, so it really stretches out far. We're going to be throwing a little party this weekend, and I'm definitely going to be using this to route it out in the backyard and have some speakers out there. There are 6 different receptacles in here, and it accepts 3 pin sockets, so pretty standard right there. I also use a converter, plug it in to a 2-prong outlet as my house is a bit older and only has those available throughout. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind, is this is all 3-prong. Unfortunately, the one thing that I don't like about this one is that the plugs aren't angled. So if you're working with plugs that are a bit thicker and wider, I know there's some like the iPhone squares, like the standard ones are fine, but if you're working with something that's a little thicker or wider, sometimes you can only get into one and then you can't get a plug into the next one. Whereas I know I have another Kensington strip where you can bend it and angle it. You can plug multiple things in at once. That's nice. So if that's an issue for you, I would definitely recommend looking into the newer versions of the Kensington power strips. I'm gonna plug this thing in really quick. I'm gonna show you the lights. There we go. Okay, so there are 2 lights that come on when it's in use, as you'll see. First, you have the green light. This is gonna let you know that you're protected and grounded, which is always a good thing to know, especially if you're working in music, because you're not going to get that nasty hum or whatever, and all your gear is safe. It's good to go. Next, you have this red amber light right here, and that's just going to let you know that it's on. This is nice because again, I've used it at shows, venues, in really dark rooms, and I can look back and know that this is on, especially if I have to troubleshoot something really quick. It's really nice and bright, especially in a dark room, and so you can see hey, okay, there's something else that's an issue. If something goes wrong, it's not the plug, because the plug is obviously on and protected. So that's cool. The cord itself, another thing that it's a double-edged sword in a way, because this cord right here, as you can see, is very bulky. It is very thick. This is great if you're looking for something that is very durable. It's going to be long lasting. Again, if you're using this at like parties or something like that, you can have it lying on the ground, and you can roll like carts over it or things like that, and it's not gonna tear or break or whatever. And I've never really felt that I've had issues. I felt that I was going to have issues with it breaking because it's so thick and durable. But unfortunately, when you're all done, wrapping it up and storing it can just be a huge hassle. It's just so bulky. It's not like wrapping up a regular cable. It really just kind of ends up being a giant ball wrapped around this thing. So the storage aspect of it isn't that great. It's got some bulk to it. Other than that, yeah, Kensington is awesome, and all my power strips and supplies that I get are pretty much Kensington, except for some older ones that I had before I found out about this company. So yeah, I would highly recommend getting this. Again, This one is, you know, an older model, but it's still, you know, it still works great, and I've been using it for, I mean, longer than I can remember. So yeah, Kensington Guardian Power Strip, 15 feet. Go out and get one. All right, take it easy, guys.